If you have been following along so far in this chapter where we have created a couple of different lists, a bulleted list, a number listed, a little bit of formatting and editing, you can see that we have actually taken a bulleted and number list and turned them into multiple level list, and we did that ourselves and we came up with the default formatting for bullets as well as our numbering. But there is a multi-level type of list you can choose from, and not only does it let you choose the formatting for your multiple levels, it also lets you do something else, and that is turn things into headings and make use of styles. So let's check out our document that we have been working with your LH press release. You can open up 0703 if you need to get caught up in front page to here. Let's start with our bulleted list. We will go into the left margin when you see the arrow click and drag down to select all of the items in the list. Instead of using the pop-up to a bar here for bullets and numbering, let's go out to the home tab of the ribbon, make sure it's elected and go to the multi-level list drop down. From here you can see your current list, but notice there's also a list library with the different options. So if you want to turn it into numbers and letters, you could, or check this one out, numbers. As you can see, the multiple levels use decimals. There is a bullet adoption with different formatting, and then we get into some of the ones that are going to use your styles. You can see turn top level into a heading one, for example, and the next level heading to 34, all the way down the list. Same thing when we get into a different type of numbering but using headings and styles. I think this one's gonna be appropriate over here for a bullet since given. Click there, that looks totally different. You can see when we deselect, it's not bad. Let's go over to numbered list and change this up. We are going to the left margin of column to here, click and drag down to select every one of the lines in our list. We will go to the multi-level list drop down. Now here's where we might want to try something like this guy here, numbers and decimals. Get a click there, the step 1 and then step 1.12. I like that, looks pretty good. Deselected, get a good look at it. But if you wanted to use some of the styles that we have up here, quick styles, the look at the heading 1 that looks like, and heading 2, we can use this in our list if we select everything and go back to the multi-level list drop down, and one of the points that actually uses those styles, those headings. For example, let's try this one. Here you can see the top level is going to be numbered with a heading 1 style. Next level is going to use capital letters and heading 2 style. Click it, you will see what we end up with here, kind of cool. So Roman numerals and letters is what we end up with, and check out the formatting is using the same formatting that we would see up here with our different headings. Now it doesn't really make a lot of sense for our list here, but just so you know, it is an option, and this is handy if you are going to be listening out something like chapters, for example, or maybe sections and subsections. I'm just going to go up to my undo button or use Ctrl C to undo that, take us back to the previous formatting for a multi-level list. So keep in mind, as I from bulleted and numbered list, which automatically bullet and number your list using the format you choose, there's also a multi-level list, give you additional options when there is going to be a multiple levels.